Lisa, would you like to come inside? Hi, I'm Angela Schuler. Come on in. This is their rec house room where the dogs have tunnels and slides and ramps that they can run and play in all day long.
This is the lazy lounge where dogs can come and relax and watch movies.
Here's the Cozy Hideaway, a nice quiet place for your dogs to rest and relax.
It's gated off so that shyer dogs can be kept separate from other dogs until they're ready to join the group. Are you ready, Lily? Guess not.
And outside we've got a nice big fenced area for all the dogs to play. Want to go outside? Come on! All entrances and exits are double gated, making it virtually escape-proof. Well, thanks for checking us out today.